Liberty on a otherwise cloudy day. The weather forecast was calling for some possible rain and fog conditions. So, but up here at the top of the mountain, wow, it's looking really good so far. So I can see a couple skiers coming down here. Folks are running on the lift pretty well, and all. So I'm going to go ahead and go run down one of these easier runs since this is my first run of the day. It's called Dipsy Doodle. Let's take a look. Looking good over there. This is called the front side, and this particular trail is Dipsy Doodle. This is the upper part of it, and the snow's surprisingly a little crunchy. Well, you can see it is soft. The reason I like this trail is because it is the easiest way down. So for my first few runs, yeah, I think it's the best one. So good, nice and cool. Day.